6.5 turbo diesel. Ignition switch. I tried every combination of turning it backwards, forwards, pushing it, hammering it. Nothing works. I disconnected the battery cable. It's a cold crank in Palm Springs. Crank her up! Oh man. I just got to keep cranking the starter even when it runs. Crank her up! Hate revving a crap. Hate revving a cold motor. Yeah. With my starter bracket. And loose battery cables. Crank her up! That wasn't that exciting. Got junk? Yeah, I know, it's a piece of crap. Oh yeah. Fumigate the room. Alright, we're going to show what's involved to try to get this key out. So, someone said turn it forward, push it in, pull it out. How about the key out? How about the key in?
Wrong.
How about pounding on it? How about pounding on it from upside down?
Pounded it, lubed it,
How about pounding?
wiggled it.
How about that way?
Something seriously worn out.
Yeah.
Seriously worn.
Sprayed 3/4 of a can of silicone in here. It ain't turning off. Oh yeah. Grind that starter.
Something seriously worn.
Okay, I give up. I'm gonna go turn it off from under the hood. That's the only way that it's gonna work. The only way. Want to try find your chapstick? It's a hot day in paradise. Here, hold the camera here for a sec. I'm going to disconnect the computer. Don't press anything. Burn my fingers. That's that part of it. And then I have to disconnect the battery.
Disconnect the computer, disconnect the battery.
Yeah, because the ignition's still on. I'm going to drive 1 hour to San Bernardino to get a bloody oil pressure switch that maybe the fuel pump will run, maybe, and an ignition switch at AutoZone from Mexico, and a starter bracket. And the bolts are there, but the bracket's not. Yeah, disconnect everything, move the cables away from each other, leave the bolt and the spacer right over there. Pain in the butt. Welcome to buying vehicles as is. Turbo junk.